Hello everyone, it's me Kashmala Ali from Train Machine Models. Today we are going to start our series of Python programming, and in this series we will cover all the basic concepts of Python. And if you are new to coding, you don't know how to write a code, then don't worry. After completing this series you will be able to write your own code. Now let's move toward our first lecture. Okay, now start with the variables. What are variables? Variables are named memory location which temporarily store data or values that can be changed during program execution, which means variables which we are created store in our memory, and it's stored in temporary, not permanently stored in our memory, and we can change the value of our variable during a program execution, which means when we are running our program then we can change its values. Next thing is, what are some rules for naming a variable? When we declare a variable, then it has some name. Variable must have some name and there are some rules for naming a variable in a Python or in every language. There are some rules. So what are these rules? These rules are that variable must start with a letter and underscore, and it cannot be start with a number, and it must be between it's alphanumeric character, and underscore means it's between A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. And one more thing is, variables are case sensitive, means here are example of I have one name, and its name have been written in a 3 different style. It means these are 3 different variables, and reserved words cannot be used as a variable name, which mean reserved words basically are the words which have some predefined meanings, and we cannot use it as our variable name, like if, else, while, for. These are our reserved words. Now we are going to start writing our first program in Python. I am using a PyCharm IDE. However, you can use any IDE of your own choice. Okay. First of all, we write the name of our variable. Let's x, and assign a value to it, like I assign it 5. So this is a variable, x is the name of a variable, and I have assigned it a value 5. Now I have assigned another value y, and I assign it the value string. Five is an integer data type, so, and train machine models is a string. Anything that is string we can always write in the double quotes. Now if you're now how we print a variable or something on our console, simply write a print. If it is a variable, I simply write x. Now see the result. Here in our output it is display 5 because value of x is 5, and in a print statement I have write a variable x, and if I write y, then you can see in an output screen it displays the value of y, which is a train machine model. And if I want to display a both, then simply I write the name of both variable in a print statement like this, x and y, and then I run it. Here you see it display the result of both variable. Now if you want to assign a same value to a multiple variable, then you can do this like A, B, VS2, let's suppose 100. And if I print it, if I print only one variable like C, then you can see it display 100. Same like if I print A or a B, it display a same result. Now how we write a comment in Python, then simply hash and write a comment like this, hash of So if you have any query, then write in a comment box. I will answer all of your queries. And if you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.